Hello children, welcome back to the geography class of standard 7. Today in this video we shall discuss chapter 3 greenhouse effect, and in this video I am going to cover few topics such as what is greenhouse, what are greenhouse gases, and what are the causes of greenhouse effects. So let's begin. What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a glass building in which plants are kept to protect them from a cold weather outside. The atmosphere inside is artificially heated up as per the requirements of the plant. A miniature greenhouse is also known as a cold frame. Now let us understand what is a greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a process by which thermal radiation from a planetary surface is absorbed by the atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all direction. Since part of this re-radiation is back towards the surface, energy is transferred to the surface and the lower atmosphere. As a result, the temperature is higher than it would be if direct heating by solar radiation were on the only warming mechanism. Now let's understand what are the causes of greenhouse effect. The greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere are the causes of greenhouse effect. Deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, population growth, formation of clouds, and all these causes further leads to causes of ozone layer depletion. Now, the greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? Let's understand. Greenhouse gases. Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called atmosphere. Yes. This atmosphere includes many types of gases, among which greenhouse gases are one. These greenhouse gases play an important role in greenhouse effect. They surround the earth like gases in greenhouse and do not allow the heat to escape into space, and hence they keep the earth warm. Now let us understand what are these gases. Greenhouse gases are those, as I told you, which causes the greenhouse effect. Let us understand through this pie chart. You can see the percentage, the largest greenhouse gas, the largest contribution of greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide, that is 54%. Then 21% is chlorofluorocarbon, 12% is methane, 7% is ozone, and 6% is nitrous oxide. Now, these are the important greenhouse gases: water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbon. Do you know, burning of fossil fuels are the single largest source of greenhouse gases from the human activities. Oil, natural gas, and coals are used for burning. All these affect the atmosphere, and hence global warming is caused. I hope you have understood what are the greenhouse gases, what are the causes of greenhouse effect. So that's all for today, children. In the next video, I will continue with global warming, impact of global warming, and what are the steps we can take to control greenhouse gases and global warming. Till then, take care, children. Goodbye. Thank you.